Now with USDT delisting soon, many are wondering how will this affect XRP. If XRP were to become a stablecoin under the ISO 2022 standard, its price would likely stabilize at a fixed value, such as $1 or another predefined amount, rather than fluctuate freely based on supply and demand. Here's an analysis of how this could impact its price and use case. 1. Price stabilization. A stablecoin is typically pegged to a fiat currency, commodity, or basket of assets, which would mean XRP's price would no longer fluctuate in the open market. If XRP were to transition from its current market-driven dynamics to a stablecoin, its price would stabilize, effectively preventing significant price appreciation or depreciation, but it would also be less volatile, which could make it more attractive for certain use cases like cross-border payments. Second, market implications. Demand. As a stablecoin, XRP's demand would primarily come from those needing a reliable, stable medium of exchange rather than speculators or investors looking for capital gains. Speculators and long-term investors would likely exit the market if there's no potential for price growth, reducing speculative demand. Adoption. Institutions might find a stablecoin version of XRP more attractive for use in real-world financial systems, potentially driving adoption for cross-border payments. 3. Price before stabilization. If this shift were announced in advance, speculative buying might push XRP's price higher before its stabilization, as investors speculate on increased adoption under the ISO 2022 framework. However, this would be temporary. 4th, comparison to current XRP. Currently, XRP's value is tied to market supply and demand, and it fluctuates based on speculation, utility, and adoption. Transitioning to a stablecoin would mean its price would no longer behave like a typical cryptocurrency. All in all, if XRP becomes a stablecoin, its price would stabilize at the pegged value, likely eliminating the possibility of significant long-term price appreciation. Whether this is good or bad depends on your perspective. For investors hoping for capital gains, this would be a negative development. However, for institutions and payment systems, it could enhance XRP's utility and adoption. Having said that, the pegged value of XRP would not be 1 USD to 1 XRP. It will most likely depend on the current market value and whether it is using the fiat-backed model or basket-backed model.